Before time, before stars, before even space itself, there was nothing. And then, in an instant, everything changed. A spark of creation ripped through the void, giving birth to all matter, energy, space, and time. That single moment became the Big Bang, the beginning of everything. But how did that lead to our world, Earth, and life itself? Let's journey across 13.8 billion years of cosmic history to uncover the greatest story ever told. It all started with a singularity, an infinitely hot, dense point. Then, in less than a second, it expanded, not into space, but creating space itself. This was the standard Big Bang theory, proposed by Georges Lemaitre and supported by Edwin Hubble's discovery. Galaxies moving away from us, proving the universe is expanding. As it expanded, the universe cooled, forming particles, atoms, and eventually the first light. This afterglow still surrounds us today. The cosmic microwave background radiation, the fingerprint of creation. But scientists had a problem. The early universe looked too perfect. Everywhere they looked. Same temperature, same structure. How? In 1981, Alan Guth proposed the solution, cosmic inflation. In the tiniest fraction of a second, the universe expanded faster than light itself, stretching, smoothing, and shaping the cosmos into what we see today. This theory explains why the universe looks uniform, yet filled with galaxies, stars, and clusters. It's the version scientists trust most today, the modern inflationary Big Bang model. But if the Big Bang was the beginning, what caused it? That's where things get strange. Quantum physics says nothing isn't truly empty. Even in pure vacuum, energy flickers in and out of existence. So what if one of those tiny quantum ripples didn't vanish? What if it expanded, becoming everything? According to Stephen Hawking and Lawrence Krauss, the universe might have appeared from a quantum fluctuation, energy emerging from the void. As Hawking said, the universe can and will create itself from nothing. But what if there was never a beginning, only cycles? The oscillating universe theory suggests that after every Big Bang, the universe expands, then collapses into a big crunch. From that collapse, another bang erupts, creating a new universe, an endless loop, a cosmic heartbeat. Supported by Roger Penrose and Richard Tolman, this theory paints the universe as eternal, forever dying, forever reborn. What if our Big Bang wasn't the only one? Some scientists believe our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam, the multiverse. Each bubble could have its own Big Bang, its own laws of physics, maybe even another version of you. Inflation theory supports it, saying new universes could pop into existence endlessly. So maybe, the universe we know is just one chapter in an infinite library of realities. String theory takes it one step further. It imagines our universe as a 3D sheet, a brain, floating in higher dimensional space. When two brains collide, they release immense energy, triggering a Big Bang. Our universe, then, could have been born from one of these cosmic crashes. Physicists Paul Steinhardt and Neil Turok believe this cycle might repeat forever. Universes born from brain collisions in dimensions beyond our sight. Not everyone believed in a beginning. In 1948, Fred Hoyle proposed the steady-state theory, a universe with no start and no end, where new matter is constantly created as space expands. But when scientists discovered the cosmic microwave background, that theory collapsed. Still, it gave us one thing, the very name, Big Bang. Let's time travel across cosmic history. 0 seconds. Singularity explodes. The Big Bang. 1035 sec. Inflation. Expansion, faster than light. 1 sec. Particles form. 3 minds. Hydrogen and helium appear. 380,000 years. Light breaks free. The universe becomes transparent. 1 billion years. The first galaxies shine. 9 billion years. The sun and planets form. 13.8 billion years. You, asking where it all began. Roughly 4.6 billion years ago, a giant cloud of gas and dust, leftovers from ancient stars, began to collapse under gravity. At its center, the heat rose until a new star ignited, our Sun. Around it, dust and rock clumped together, forming planetesimals. Over time, they collided, merged, and created the planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. A new solar system was born from the ashes of old stars. Our young planet was a molten inferno. Oceans of lava, toxic air, constant asteroid bombardments. Then a Mars-sized object, Theia, slammed into it. The explosion threw debris into orbit, which came together to form the Moon. That collision stabilized Earth's spin, giving us seasons, tides, and the rhythm of time. As the planet cooled, rain began to fall. For thousands of years, forming the first oceans. Comets brought more water. The sky turned blue. Earth began to breathe. Deep in the oceans, near volcanic vents, chemicals combined into something new: life. Simple cells appeared about 3.8 billion years ago, multiplying and evolving. Then came cyanobacteria, releasing oxygen, transforming the toxic sky into breathable air. This great oxidation event turned the world blue and paved the way for complex organisms. Over billions of years, life grew, adapted, and conquered land. From microbes to dinosaurs, from apes to humans. Everything you are, your bones, your blood, your mind, was forged in the heart of dying stars. When those stars exploded, they scattered the elements that became you. From the birth of the universe to the birth of life, you are a living piece of the cosmos trying to understand itself. We are the universe, made conscious, looking back at our own creation, from nothing to everything, from dust to life, from chaos to consciousness. The story of Earth is written across billions of years, but its message is timeless. We were born from the stars, and one day we'll return to them.